Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove default clothes of Roblox avatar. So if you're playing the game and you don't like that default clothes for your avatar and you would like to change it, so there's a simple solution to it and you can easily do it. So first you just have to simply go to any browser, open Roblox and log in with your account. Once you have logged in, you will get to this interface, the home page. On this page, you will see on the left top side, we have three lines. You have to simply click onto it. And from these options, you have to click onto this avatar option, and then you will get to this page where you can edit your avatar. Now you have to simply click onto this all option, and after that, all of your default clothes will appear there that you're using. So whatever cloth that you would not like to wear, you can just simply click onto it and it will get deselect. Then you have the option whatever clothes you would like to pick for your character. You just have to simply click onto that and your avatar will wear that cloth. So now it's all up to you. Whatever clothes you like, you can just simply select them and you can just simply change the default clothes for your avatar. And that's it. This is how you can remove your default clothes for your avatar on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.